No, you're good.
Because together we are stronger. Individually we are stronger. I remember every single phone count.
Hello, my friends. Welcome to On Point with Rachel Turgeman. I'm so glad you can join us tonight. My friends, healthcare insurance is extremely expensive, especially during these challenging times. Joining us tonight is somebody very, very special, Gail Daley. She's the Vice President of Ambetter from Sunshine Health. Tonight, she's going to be talking about everything we need to know about Ambetter from Sunshine Health and, of course, health insurance marketplace special enrollment period. Welcome, Gail. Welcome to On Point with Rachel Turgeman. I'm so happy that you took time out of your very busy calendar to talk to us about Ambetter. How are you today?
I'm great. Thank you so much, Rachel. I really appreciate being here and looking forward to this chat.
Me too. And I'm sure that thousands of our viewers that are watching us, they're dying to know, what is Ambetter and why is it such a great insurance? So Ambetter from Sunshine Health, what does it do? Talk to us about it.
So Ambetter from Sunshine Health started with the health insurance marketplace back in the inception. So 2014 was when this launched by the federal government. And we started back in 2014. And we have been in the marketplace product since then. We are happy to say that the enrollment period has been extended through August 15th. So very exciting news. People who weren't able to enroll during the open enrollment period can get covered now. Very important.
Very important. So health insurance marketplace special enrollment period, everybody's been hearing about that all over the news. I'm sure that thousands of our viewers as well. So what exactly is the health insurance marketplace special enrollment period?
So during the normal year, every other year, we have a period at the end. It's usually in the fall, November 1 through December 15th. And we call this open enrollment. This is a period that members can come on, get covered, sign up during this period. This year, because of the pandemic, because of COVID-19, the federal government has extended that open enrollment period through what we call the SEP, the Special Enrollment Period. It was extended originally to May 15th, but recently this has been even further extended to August 15th.
Thank God.
So, yes.
The more time, the better. That's excellent.
The more time, the better. But I'm going to encourage folks to not wait, to get covered now. The quicker you sign up, the quicker you get covered, the quicker you can start enjoying your health insurance.
Absolutely. It's so important to stay healthy. Prevention is key.
Prevention is key.
Healthy. Absolutely.
And one thing to note, there is no requirement. If you have missed the open enrollment deadline, you can get covered through this SEP, the special enrollment period. There is nothing that you need to do. There is no requirements that you need to meet just through this SEP. So
it's simple.
Folks,
it's very simple. Thank God for that.
Covered.
Now, you mentioned the health insurance marketplace, Gail. What is that for those that don't know? And why do you feel that getting the insurance right now is more important than ever?
So the health insurance marketplace, as I said, it started in 2014 we're covered through the Affordable Care Act. You'll hear ACA, you'll hear health insurance marketplace, you'll hear just the marketplace. Some people will even say Obamacare, all the same thing. And we provide a wide range of health services, comprehensive services to members. We operate Ambetter from Sunshine Health. We are local. We're here in the community. We have offices throughout the state, actually several offices. So we are here. We're vested in the community. We live here. We work here. And we are a trusted partner.
Excellent. So Ambetter from Sunshine Health, I know it's huge. So can you talk to us about the special enrollment period and expound on that?
Sure, absolutely. The special enrollment period, as I said, this is something that's offered normally through the year, but because this is a COVID year, you don't have to meet a qualifying event. So individuals that have, and right now during the pandemic, where people are struggling, where you're faced with job loss and several other things related to this pandemic, it is so important to make sure that you're covered.
Absolutely.
That with all the things that people are struggling with today, the one thing that you don't want to have to worry about is your health insurance coverage.
It's true.
So through this SEP period, you have an additional 6 months. So that's a long time. 6 months that you can sign up and get covered, you and your family. Very important. I stressed it before. Don't wait. Sign up now.
Exactly. We need to stay healthy. If we have health, we have everything. If we're not healthy, we can't work. We can't do anything. We can't take care of our families. Very
Absolutely.
important. And speaking about health, Gail, talk to us about all the services that Ambetter from Sunshine Health, just gives out to all the members. Talk to us about the services.
Absolutely. So we have comprehensive range of services. We provide maternity care, wellness, preventive visit, newborn care, mental health, pharmacy coverage. I mean, it's a wide and comprehensive range of services. And we partner with providers, including physicians, your primary care physicians, specialist providers, labs, pharmacies, hospitals, urgent care centers, emergency
You have all
rooms.
the gamut. You have all the gamut of services.
The whole gamut of providers. So it's a comprehensive set of services and a comprehensive set of providers, quality providers that we partner with to deliver care.
So happy that Ambetter from Sunshine Health has, collaborated and has partnered with quality doctors and hospitals, but what happens if one of your members or many of your members, and rightfully so, are afraid to go visit their doctors in their offices? Is Ambetter making any accommodations for people that are afraid to go to actually visit the doctors?
So I'm glad you asked that, because that's a very important question. It is something that weighs heavily on a lot of people's minds. It's, going into the doctor during this time, people are afraid. They're concerned with social distancing. And a lot of providers through this, since March of last year, a lot of providers have started offering telehealth services. Before the pandemic, we had providers, that offered telehealth services. But since the pandemic, a lot more providers have started offering telehealth services. So members get to access care in the comfort of their own homes.
We love that.
We love that. Non-emergency care. You can use your mobile device through using either just a telephone or using a video conference to connect with your doctor so that you can continue to stay healthy. And in addition to that, Ambetter from Sunshine Health has what's called Ambetter Telehealth. And what that is a wide array of in-network physicians who are here in Florida and who you can access 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you get up in the middle of the night, something doesn't feel right, you have a provider that you can have a telehealth visit with. Weekends, nights, you can connect with a provider.
So
that is
extremely
valuable.
This is 24/7, Gail? This is amazing.
Yes, this is 24/7. Nights, weekends, days, you can call the Ambetter telehealth providers anytime.
Well, thank you for nurturing us for sure. It seems that you've collaborated with excellent doctors and hospitals, and now I'm glad that you have the telehealth medicine also as a virtual option. Wow.
And I will point out also that these telehealth visits are at zero copays.
But that our viewers like to hear. Me too. Yes. That's excellent. That's outstanding. So what about, for rewards? Do you give anybody any rewards if they look at healthy behaviors at all?
So that is probably the most fun part of what Ambetter has to offer. I really love this.
Let's hear it.
We reward our members for doing healthy behaviors. So it's twofold. You can do simple activities that promote wellness, like taking a walk, any kind of routine exercising, eating right, anything that promotes healthy behaviors, healthy living, and promotes good health. There are a list of them that we will reward you for. We also will look at if you have your first wellness visit with your primary care physician, or if you do screenings like getting your mammograms done.
Important.
Very important. I can't stress enough that the wellness visit, so many people have found out that something is happening with them through that wellness visit. And the earlier you get that wellness visit done and establish a baseline, is the better your outcome will be. It always happens that the earlier you know, the better your outcome. So we encourage that behavior, and we reward our members by giving them up to $500 for the 2021 year.
That's outstanding.
Excellent.
And they can use that for what? What can they use it for? Anything specifically for?
That's the even better part. You can use those reward dollars to pay for your premium, your co-insurance, your co-pays, your deductibles. So you're helping yourself by reducing your costs and also doing wellness, being healthier, doing wellness activities. So I really love
it, Gail, because if all our viewers, when they're listening to you very carefully, which I'm sure they are, Ambetter from Sunshine Health is paying us so that we can make sure that we have healthy behaviors. And let's suppose that we don't have healthy behaviors, which I know I don't, but I need to, right? Ambetter from Sunshine Health gives me this $500, which I can use however I want, deductibles, co-payments, and you're basically saving my life. Because now if I don't like to exercise, I'm going to exercise. If I'm not eating my vegetables or my fruits, I'm going to eat it. If I'm not on target with my mammogram, as you were saying, I'm going to go get it. And so you're helping people to stay alive, Gail, and I thank you for that.
It's a win-win, Rachel. It's a win-win. You are improving your health outcome and you are being rewarded for it.
Absolutely. I love it. Before we thank our advertisers in a minute, I want to talk to you a little bit about not Ambetter from Sunshine Health, but other insurances can be very confusing as well. And even Ambetter from Sunshine Health can be confusing. What is it that you have in place, Ambetter from Sunshine Health, in helping potential members to use their insurance? Because once you sign up, you can say, "Oh my God, I don't know how to use it." But you guys have something in place. Tell our viewers. Go ahead, Gail.
Absolutely. When members sign up, we want them to use their insurance. We want them to schedule their wellness visits. So we have, and we do realize that, especially for individuals who were previously uninsured, it's the first time that they're having health insurance. It may be a little bit confusing how to navigate.
Sure.
So we have member representatives that will help walk members through that process. How to sign up, how to get your ID card, how to go in the member portal, how to check your My Health Pay reward dollars and how to use it. All of these questions and a lot more. We have live people, not a pre-recording, live individuals that can help walk you through the process to make sure that you have a good understanding of your health insurance coverage and how to use it.
I love it because it can be very intimidating. All insurances can. The fact that Ambetter from Sunshine Health, under your leadership as Vice President, Gail, that you've thought about helping, millions of people with their insurance. I mean, that to me, I can take off my hat. If I had one, I would take off my hat to you.
Thank you so much.
Let's take a couple of minutes break. I want to thank all our VIP advertisers, for assisting On Point Richard Turkman, because without them, this particular interview or shows would not be possible. Let's begin with Jose Milton Foundation. Thank you, Anna Vega Milton, President and CEO, for all the altruistic work you do. Thank you for building the new Jose Milton Memorial Hospital, Jackson Memorial Hospital West, for your amazing work with the Red Cross, scholarships for our youth, and the list goes on. Jackson Health Foundation, a big shout out to co-president Charmaine Gatlin, Flavia Yiso, and their stellar team for doing an outstanding job in raising funds for the best hospital throughout our nation, Jackson Health System, making miracles every day. Ambetter from Sunshine Health. Healthcare is essential. Ambetter from Sunshine Health is a local health plan you can trust. Synovus Bank, a big shout out to Armando Trabanco, Regional Retail Manager for Southeast Florida, in business for more than 130 years. Synovus is a financial services company that came from humble beginnings in Georgia. Today, Synovus Bank is committed to supporting our communities in over 300 locations across the Southeast, including South Florida footprint. Synovus is here for you to safely meet your banking, lending, and investing needs. Hashtag the Bank of Here. For more information about Synovus products, services, and locations, please visit www.synovus.com. Catholic Hospice. A big shout out to Executive Director Diane Backoff and Jessica Joseph, Manager Philanthropy and Public Relations, and their awesome team. Thank you for preserving comfort and dignity for people that are very ill and their family members. United Home Care, big shout out to Carlos Martinez, President and CEO. Another big shout out to Alina Palenzuela, Blanca Ceballos, and the rest of their stellar team. Thank you for keeping our older adults home with excellent healthcare services, because there's no place like home. Marie Torreson, CPA, business owners. She will grow your business exponentially with a 360-degree view of your financial and operational performance. Call and make an appointment. Jewish University System. A big shout out to founder Dr. Jorge Alfonso and Lucy Alfonso, President and CEO. Now you can earn your doctoral degree in education or psychology with religious modifiers. Contact Jewish University System. Global Over Day Seminary and University, known as GodZoo, empowering entrepreneurs to become financially independent to transcend into generational prosperity. Also, earn your chaplaincy or cybersecurity certification. Contact GodZoo. Meet Elisa Billiard, your corporate and personal psychologist and psychotherapist, to solve your business and personal hurdles. Give her a call and effectuate positive change. Metro Mommy Agency. For all of your pregnancy support before, during, and after, call Metro Mommy Agency. They provide childbirth education, labor support, doulas, breastfeeding support, night nurses, and the list goes on. With Metro Mommy Agency, you can birth better and begin parenting with confidence. Light of the World Clinic. Thank you, Elaine Maselli Vasquez, brainchild of Light of the World Clinic, for providing free healthcare services to economically disadvantaged families in Broward County, Florida. Again, a special thanks to all our VIP advertisers for your tremendous support of On Point with Rachel Turgeman. Back to you, Gail. Gail, as you know, COVID-19 came into our world, in our state of Florida, all over our nation, our whole entire globe. What is Ambetter from Sunshine Health doing to help members with COVID-19? Ambetter from Sunshine Health. What are you doing for COVID-19 members?
So Ambetter covers the COVID-19 testing and screening at no cost to the member.
Excellent.
No coinsurance, no member cost shares. This is completely covered for our members.
Good.
Yes.
Excellent. That's very, very important. Obviously, we know we're in very challenging times. We're still not out of the woods yet. We're getting better. We're still not out of the woods.
We're not quite there yet. Yes.
Exactly. So the fact that you provide all the services, the testing, and if somebody gets sick as well with COVID-19, you assist them too. That's truly wonderful.
Yes, absolutely.
What about, talk to me more about community services when it comes to Ambetter from Sunshine Health. How are you assisting the community?
So I told you that My Health Pays was one of my favorite parts of Ambetter, but this is another favorite part, really. We are so invested in the community that we serve. We have participated in several COVID-19 relief efforts, and we have made several donations and given items for the relief effort for COVID-19.
That is beautiful.
Yes, we also we partner with over 250 community partners.
Wow.
We realize, and we provide healthcare services, but especially during this pandemic, there are a lot of other things that are on people's minds.
Yes.
So, for instance, if a mother is concerned about where her child is going to sleep, affordable housing or adequate housing, it's really hard for her to focus on her healthcare needs
Sure.
when she has all of these other things that she's concerned about. And we call those things social determinants of health, meaning if you don't take care of certain social issues, it will eventually impact your health.
Absolutely.
So that is why we partner with over 250 community agencies that provide a wealth of resources. So I'm talking about things like help in finding a job, help in food, childcare, help in paying utilities, a wide range of services that may be concerning to members. They will help you find the resources to get these things taken care of so that you can focus on and concentrate on your healthcare, which is extremely important.
That's interesting. That's very interesting what you're saying, Gil, because as I hear you speak, and I'm sure our viewers are going to agree with me, not only are you providing outstanding quality healthcare services through Amber from Sunshine Health, but you're also looking at their other determinants, that affect their health, affordable housing, their childcare, whether they have food or not on their table. And then the fact that Ambetter from Sunshine Health, you at the helm and with your entire team, making sure that you're looking at the Maslow hierarchy of needs, that you have all these needs, affordable housing,
exactly,
food, jobs, we need this. That's amazing. Really, I mean, we need to commend Ambetter from Sunshine Health because not everybody's doing this. And
I will tell you, Rachel,
and accolades to you and your team.
Thank you. I will tell you that we don't just provide these resources to our members. We provide these resources to anyone. You don't have to be a member to get access to these community resources that we have partnered with.
I love it. And so I don't know if you know this, but we're also in 12 podcasts like iHeartRadio, Spotify, Google, Amazon. The list is humongous. Would you mind giving out the number for the Community Connections helpline for the podcast viewers?
Absolutely. So it's Community Connections Hotline, and the number is 866-755-2192. That's 866-755-2192.
Excellent. Thank you, Gail. And so for all the viewers that are watching us, and some of them do not have healthcare either for themselves or their families, how can they enroll? What's the easiest way to enroll at Ambetter from Sunshine Health? Talk to us.
The easiest, the best way to enroll, get yourself covered, get your family covered, is by going on to ambetterfl.com. That's Ambetter, F as in Frank, L as in Larry.com.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And the phone number, if you can say it for the podcast listeners.
Yes, the phone number is for Ambetter from Sunshine Health is 877-687-1169. That's 877-687-1169.
Thank you, Gail. So what happens? You keep on mentioning that the special enrollment period for Ambetter from Sunshine Health is from now to August 15th. But what happens? Let me give you a hypothetical case that can also be very, very true.
Mm-hmm.
That somebody might lose their insurance because they got laid off from their jobs after August 15th. Then what, Gail? Talk to us.
So you still have options. If you miss the August 15th deadline and you have what is called a qualifying event, meaning you've gotten married, you have gotten divorced, you have lost your job, you've adopted a child, you've had a child. These are things that are called qualifying events. And you have 60 days from that qualifying event to enroll in Ambetter from Sunshine Health or enroll in Health Insurance Marketplace. So very important. You still have a chance to enroll if you meet one of these qualifying life events.
And any of these qualifying events can happen. You know, we can get married,
Absolutely.
we can adopt a child.
Absolutely.
And obviously, we could lose a job. We hope that we don't lose a job, but we can, and many of us have. So,
Yes.
well, unfortunately, Gail, we're running out of time. I want to thank you so much for coming out and talking to us about all the wonderful services of Ambetter from Sunshine Health. Thank you, thank you, thank you a billion times. Is there anything that you would like to add, Gail?
Yes, I will say we talked about if you've lost a job. And a lot of times people think that the only option that they have is to get COBRA. Well, I will tell you that Health Insurance Marketplace, Ambetter from Sunshine Health, is a much more affordable way of retaining coverage, healthcare coverage. More than 80% of the people who sign up for COBRA could qualify for Health Insurance Marketplace at a reduced premium. So they could qualify for subsidies to help to offset the premium. So instead of just looking at COBRA as the only option, Health Insurance Marketplace is definitely an option that could be a lot more affordable to a lot more people.
I love it. I love it because you know what? Everybody needs to save $1. You know,
Exactly.
When
Exactly.
COVID-19 hit us, Gail, I mean, a lot of people were on furlough, they were laid off. So certainly Ambetter from Sunshine Health is truly, truly helping our communities.
Yes.
I want to thank you so much, Gail, for giving us all this amazing information. I want to direct myself to all the viewers, my friends. Please visit ambetterfl.com. If you don't have insurance, if your family doesn't have insurance, go ahead and visit them. Enroll now. Like Gail said, do not wait. It's from now to August 15. Do yourself a favor, get quality healthcare insurance coverage. Gail, we love you. We hope to have you back on Point with Rachel Turgerman. And to all the viewers, thank you so much for tuning in to On Point with Rachel Turgerman. Please remember to subscribe to my particular YouTube channel, On Point with Rachel Turgerman. Keeping informed and staying connected allows all of us to make the right decisions. And you just heard Gail, Vice President of Ambetter from Sunshine Health. God bless you all. Stay healthy and stay safe. Bye-bye for now. No, you're good.